In this video we're going to show how to install the AWL LED from RAB Design Lighting, and I'm also going to point out a few defining features of the lights. First off, I want to mention that the head can pivot from 0 to 90 degrees as shown here on the box. And also this icon here means that there's a photocell integrated in the lights that automatically turns it on and off depending on how much daylight there is outside. And finally, this light features an easy installation, which I will demonstrate later. So here we have the AWL LED out of the box. I just want to point out a few things, and that's the conduit entries on the base, which we have one on each side, one at the bottom, and also one behind or at the back. Additionally, I mentioned the photocell earlier, and that's installed at the top of the fixture right here. And finally, the whole head here pivots by unscrewing these Allen screws with the Allen wrench provided in the box. And now I'm going to begin with the installation. So to start with the installation, what we have to do is separate the base from the main fixture. And to do that, we take the Allen wrench, loosen up the screws a little bit, now the head is free to rotate up to expose the 4 screws. Simply take a drill or a screwdriver with a Phillips head, and that should do it. We should be able to remove the base from the main fixture. And the next step would be to installing the base on the wall. So here we see the base of the fixture installed against the wall. This should always be installed as per your local electrical code. And I've decided to run the conduit from the bottom conduit entry, where you see all 3 wires coming through. One important note that I forgot to mention earlier is that there's actually an integrated level bubble inside the base to ensure that you install the base on a level plane. So now to continue with the installation, all I need to do is take this hook on the base and hook it to the fixture, which also has a metallic hook, like so. This is part of the easy installation process because it leaves both your hands free to do the wired connections. And another note about the wired connections, you'll notice that there's these little snap-in connectors, and they make connecting the wires extremely simple. All you need to do is put the wire in and snap the little clasp, match color per color, and within a minute you have everything connected. Now the last thing we need to do is just unhook the fixture from the hooks, tidy up the wires a little bit, make sure they don't pinch when you push the fixture against its base, open up its head to expose the 4 screws, and tighten the screws. And there we go. Finally, the last part, we just need to adjust the head to whichever angle is desired. I'll just put it roughly at a 45 degree. Take the Allen wrench that's supplied with the kit and tighten up the Allen screws. And there we have it. The installation is finished of the AWL LED from RAB Design Lighting.